Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about changing out NCVs on your sprayer. So if you have a Hawkeye or a Hawkeye 2 system, our video is going to go through a Hawkeye 2 system, which is the same as an OptiPulse. Hawkeye 2 is on the yellow RoGators. OptiPulse is on the Fendt RoGators, like the one behind me. And what we're going to go through is how to change one of those, and namely how to calibrate it or to test it. From the home screen, you're going to hit the gear, then you're going to hit the wrench, and you're going to go into NCV information. Then you touch that one down at the bottom, and it's going to tell you that you're going to pick the second one here, this one that looks like a page, and you're going to pick Calibrate NCVs, and you're going to hit the button, and then you hit begin, and it's going to follow through. And then it comes up to this screen and it says to make sure that everything's turned on, and you're going to hit the next button, and as you can see, it's going to start going through and it's going to start checking the NCVs. So now it's got the left hand side done, and now it's going to go through the right hand side, and it's going to finish up. You're going to hit next, and it's going to take you back to that page, and you should be good to go. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.